If you're in the market for a new robot vacuum, you're in the right place. 2024 has brought some incredible innovations in the world of smart home tech, and today we're diving into the best robot vacuums launched in the last 6 months that you can grab right now. So before you hit that buy now button, stick around to see which one of these high-tech gadgets fits your needs the best. First up, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This powerhouse is a game changer for those who want top-tier performance without compromise. Featuring the latest Reactive AI 2.0, it navigates your home with pinpoint accuracy, avoiding obstacles like a pro. The S8 Pro Ultra's Hyperforce suction is stronger than ever, making it perfect for both carpets and hard floors. And let's not forget about its auto-empty dock, which means less maintenance and more time enjoying your clean home. Next on the list is the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, a true multitasker. If you're tired of having to vacuum and mop separately, this one's for you. The Combo J7 Plus is designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving you both time and effort. Its precision vision navigation ensures it can navigate around furniture and other obstacles with ease. Plus, with the clean base automatic dirt disposal, you won't have to think about emptying the bin for weeks. It's like having a little cleaning assistant at home. Moving on, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. This is a beast when it comes to smart cleaning. What sets it apart is its AI laser navigation, which maps your home with incredible accuracy, ensuring it covers every nook and cranny. The Ultra Clean mode takes care of deep cleaning, while the self-cleaning brush roll keeps the vacuum running smoothly without hair tangles. It's also compatible with Alexa, so you can control it with just your voice. Convenience at its best. For those who want the ultimate all-in-one solution, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is here to impress. It doesn't just vacuum and mop, it can also auto-empty its dustbin, wash its mop, and even refill its water tank all by itself. The X1 Omni's AIV 3D technology provides advanced obstacle avoidance, and its true mapping feature ensures no spot is left untouched. With its sleek design and unmatched functionality, this is truly the future of home cleaning. Last but certainly not least, we have the Eufy RoboVac L35 Hybrid Plus. This robot vacuum is perfect for those who want powerful cleaning at an affordable price. It features LiDAR navigation for precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes, and its hybrid functionality allows it to vacuum and mop simultaneously. The L35 Hybrid Plus also boasts Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when needed, ensuring that even the toughest dirt is taken care of. And with its compact design, it can easily get under furniture where dirt loves to hide. So there you have it, the top 5 robot vacuums of 2024, each selected based on their cleaning performance, smart features, navigation capabilities, ease of maintenance, and overall value for money. Whether you need something for deep cleaning, multi-surface care, or hands-off convenience, there's a robot vacuum here for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more smart home tech reviews. See you in the next one.